are currently getting loaded up, fixing to head out to Delanna and Tyler's to do a few things with them around their house that they need help with. Delanna called on Dad, so we're going to go and help them. So I will see y'all there. Had to stop real quick because it's raining in Wiggins, and so James has got to get the saw and put it in the back of the truck. You gonna hand me that food in that bag? Anyway, we're putting the tools inside, and he's gonna put the compressor like up next to the cab of the truck, and then we'll back under the carport when we get there. But yep, it's fixing to rain. Do y'all like looking at clouds and finding shapes and stuff in the clouds? That other cloud that I just showed y'all, it looked just like a little sleeping chihuahua or a little puppy or something like that. It's so cute. There comes John. Benson taking a break, sitting by Poppy. So this is what we've done. Or bear in mind, we're gonna have she's gonna have like a table or something underneath that. We got those pictures there, that mirror. Let's see what else we've done. Is that it? Oh no, let me show you. We've done the little Home Sweet Home above this. She has added a picture of Granny there. And we did put that on the wall there. And let me see what else. She mounted this little picture thing with Benson, and that's this little TREATS is right there. That she also hung up this little thing.
We're doing this today?
No.
Not?
No, because I want to wait and get that mirror and everything. Are you happy? Stop.
I have to clean.
Look, I'm acting like James with my pencil in my hat. So we've done some decorating today. And we have our little pile box that we still have some decor pieces we're not quite sure of. We haven't got into the dining room yet, so we're just gonna kind of take our time. She don't want to hang up stuff just to have stuff hung up, you know? So we're trying to think things through and really put it to where she wants it, because she don't want a whole bunch of holes in the wall. So yeah, that's what we've been doing today. James has been putting the quarter round around in both of the bathrooms where they've got new tile. So he's been doing that. And Buster and Benson have been Buster and Benson. And I haven't got to get in the pool today. So she's been working me. But that's okay. Riding around in the rental car, but you're getting a car Monday, right? Tyler went and bought a car today.
Just like the rental, but leather.
Just like the rental. She really likes this rental car. I guess that's a good deal of test driving a rental car, huh? Well, you're getting to have it a few days, so you're getting to drive it around in your normal way, so you can kind of see if you really like it. So, pretty cool, but you'll be getting you a new car, new to you.
It's only got 27,000 miles.
That's awesome.
That's basically it.
Yeah, that's awesome. Now don't let Tyler drive it.
He is forbidden.
I'm like, Tyler, will you please drive my car? We've all ragged Tyler about driving our cars. So anyway, we're back home. We had to run to Walmart and get a few things, and now we're back, and then James and I are heading home. Are you happy with everything today? Did Mama come through for you?
Yep.
Did Dad come through for you?
Yep.
Do you have any words that you would like to share with everybody out there about how wonderful your parents are?
Don't let Mama handle the screwdriver. Because when it don't work, you get your head ripped off.
One time, because I hit my thumb.
No, this was after that.
Oh. And then I've also cut my toe. I've cut my thumb and I've cut my toe today. So,
Will you get his
is there workman's comp on this job? Dad, how you feel? Much accomplished?
Yep.
I'm exhausted. And I'm injured. I'm injured, James.
Almost injured my truck.
We are headed south. Right? South? I'm directionally challenged. Not only can I not read a tape measure, I'm also directionally challenged. Anyway. That's okay.
She's got a phone that'll tell her where to go. She don't like it when I tell her where to go.
Wonder why that is.
I don't know.
Alright, we just got home and I am headed to the thrift store, and it's not for what you think. No. I have a big box back there of stuff from Delanna's house, and then I actually had some stuff back there that's been in my car for like, oh my goodness, 3 weeks that I was gonna drop off at the thrift store. So I'm gonna go ahead and go drop it off and get that out of the car, and it will feel so good to get that done. And then I'm gonna get back home, and y'all, I'm gonna get in that tub. I'm gonna just run me some water, and I'm just gonna lay down in that tub and just soak, because my back hurt so bad. I think it's just like I was on my feet the whole time we were there, and then I was up and down on a step stool a couple times, and just bending and hammering and all that. It is just really, my back. But it is so good to see her so happy, And we still have some stuff that we've not put up on the walls yet. We haven't got into the dining room yet because there's still some things we need to do in there. And I told her, I said, let's just wait on some of this stuff. Let's don't just put it on the walls just for the sake of putting it on the walls. And let's just really think it through. And so that's what we've done. And yeah, I love seeing her happy. And James did so much. Got all the stuff in the bathroom. There was a big, like, there's some kind of light pole. It was a big hollow fiberglass pole that was on their property that was knocked over. So he got that up, and we cut it up into pieces so it can be picked up with the trash collector. And he took down the shelf that was in her laundry room that was right in the sight of going out the door. And he relocated it to the room that's going to be her laundry room. So that's done. But yeah. Whew. It's been a very, very, very productive day. And it feels good, but we're tired. We're wore out. What seasoning do you use on it, James?
Salt and pepper.
That's more than salt and pepper.
Well, sure.
Pardon my appearance, but you know, it's just been one of them days. But anyway, for our wings that he cooks in the air fryer, he uses this Chef Paul. I don't know how you say his name. Anyway, it's this Magic Seasoning Blends, Poultry Magic. What's his name, James? Paul who? Perdome. Another easy meal from the Jacksons. You put them in the air fryer, which we have outside because I hate the way it smokes up the house. What do you do?
380, 10 minutes, pull them out, flip them, another 10 minutes. Easy meal.
And this is this is the only thing you use on it, right?
Baked, not fried. That's it.
And it's so good, y'all. Those are the best wings. And I don't know what we're going to have to go with it because he didn't pick anything up when he went to the store like I told him to.
You ever seen a turkey look over a log?
Blah, blah, blah.
You ever seen a turkey look over a log?
No. Jerk. Oh, y'all, he has been in rare form this whole weekend.
You calling me fat?
I didn't say round form.
Yeah, that's what
I
you
said
said.
rare form.
You're calling me fat.
No. He has just been harassing me all weekend. Oh my goodness, I'm so tired. I need him to go back to work. But I love you.
She did make me breakfast this morning, y'all.
Tell him what I made you.
Bacon, sausage, and eggs.
And I did offer you toast and biscuits, but you declined.
Yes.
And I did offer you pancakes, and you declined.
I didn't want bread this morning.
You just wanted all, like, non-carb.
If I could have had meat and taters, I'd have had meat and taters.
Oh, I should have done potatoes. I should have done potatoes and eggs.
You don't love me.
Have you ever had potatoes
You don't love
and
me.
eggs?
You don't love me.
Never mind, I let you sleep till you wanted to wake up, and then when you woke up, then I had you breakfast waiting, and I fixed the plate, and I served you.
And I had to make my own dang coffee. Ain't that a kicker? Man slaves itself to death all week long. And what do I get? Make your own dang coffee. Bah humbug.
Buster's, you know, fussing. So he's feeling better. He finished up his medication today. There's not been a whole lot going on. It's been a very chill day. I mean, I'm doing laundry, you know. And I made the bed, did a little, you know, everyday tidying up. And mostly just been on the couch in between. So it's been a very chill day. Waiting for my husband to get our food cooked. And then that's it. But I just wanted to pop on and say hello today. And I don't know what the rest of the week's gonna hold, but we'll see. So I will holla at y'all either later today or tomorrow. Okay, y'all. This is the table James has made that will house his sander and what other thing, James?
Planer.
And his planer. And now he's going to demonstrate how this table works. Right, James? They are interested. They have asked.
They don't care.
They do. Now, this will be mounted on, but we're just going to take it off right now. He has these pipes in here, the PVC, these. You take this out, it flips, and then the other, you would mount it. You would put this in like that.
So that you'll have the sander on one side, the planer on the other. You can just
Flip it over to see what, you know, to whichever tool that you want to use. Is that not the coolest, y'all? And then down here, he's got storage like for the big sanding belts and discs and all that kind of stuff. So this is the table he's been working on. It's give you some fits, hadn't it, James?
Headache too.
But isn't he creative? Now he said he's probably gonna have to cut this piece out to kind of go around the wheel and that part, but he'll get to that when the time comes, if it need be. I asked him if it would hold me, if he could flip me over on it, and he said no. I think he's calling me fat, y'all. Are you calling me fat?
No, you called me fat.
No, you call me fat. You said this won't, you can't flip me on this.
It'll hold you. I can't flip you.
Why? So it's all coming together. I mean, I just don't know how y'all can handle all this, but you know, try to control yourself. But it's all coming together, James. I'm so proud of you.
Yeah, you my buddy.
So proud of him,
You ready to
y'all.
go inside?